The news that our leader Rahul Gandhi has got a suspension of his sentence is the first step in victory which we see coming ahead, even to clear his name and get him acquitted. The second application which is pending now is for suspension of the conviction, and that the court has issued notice and kept it sometime in April, and we are confident that the conviction will be stayed. Once there is suspension of the conviction, the Supreme Court has held that it automatically revives the membership because it removes the disqualification. And after that suspension of the conviction, the Lok Sabha Secretariat is required to issue a formal order restoring his membership. We are glad that things are moving in the right direction. It is a very clear sign that the BJP is scared of our tall leader Rahul Gandhi, and they seem to be focusing attack only on him at a time when he is uniting the nation, and they are trying to divide and fragment our nation for their own political gains.